page 186. This is a piece, I don't know what you call it, a mess or whatever, where it's a duet with you and the teacher or somebody. And you're going through all the key signatures for minor keys. What gives you a chance to hear the harmonies? I don't know. But you're just using tetrachord patterns on all of them. So let's talk about this music for a bit. You see there's 3 staves and they're all connected with a vertical line. That means all 3 staves are going to be done at the same time. Okay, simple enough. The bottom 2 staves has that curly brace. That's the grand staff. This top part is a solo part of something. Anything, instrument or singer, whoever can do those notes. For piano, they want you to do tetrachords, and we're just going through all the keys. Now it's a 3/4 time, and you see double bars occasionally because this is in section. Each scale is a section in itself, and then there's a little bridge, a 2-measure bridge to connect the different harmonies together, the different key signatures, because you're modulating into a different key. Now they give you the new key at the end of every line. They always warn you in advance, hopefully, that you're going into a new key, and this is how they do it in the music. So you're starting out in the key of A minor, there's nothing there, and you're just down here. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then you get 2 measures rest to come up here and get ready for E minor. Same thing. 1 sharp. We're using harmonic minor, so that's why you get the accidentals in the music. That's for the 7th step. You're doing that, and then the measure 21, we're in B minor up here. No. And then F sharp minor has 3 sharps. The F sharps here, these. Except we have to raise the 7th step, that's an E sharp there, which is an F on piano. And we're just going through all the keys like that. And then somebody plays this bottom mess at the bottom. I'll attempt to play this bottom mess if you want to try it together, and we'll play it together, but I'm going to go really slow because this bottom part is a little bit tricky. We're playing in all the keys. That's not really a problem. It's the accidentals that mess me up. So I'll give us 3 counts, and let's just try it slowly together. Make sure you can go ahead and play each of these scales, okay, in tetrachords before trying this. 1, ready, go. 2, 3. 2. 2. 3.